Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok community guidelines violations regarding messaging on TikTok. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you're unable to send or receive messages on TikTok, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make an appeal from here, and after this you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok, but you're facing this issue and you're unable to send or receive messages. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your TikTok and then tap on a profile button, and then tap on three lines button, and then tap on settings and privacy, and then you have to simply scroll it below all the way, and then go to help center, and from here you have to simply tap on report a problem, and then you have to simply wait for some seconds here, and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on need more help, and from here you have to simply tap on send message from here, and from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way in this box, and then you have to simply add a screenshot of this problem as well. So guys, simply write here your message and explain your problem in a brief way, and then add a screenshot of this problem as well, and after this send this report to the TikTok team. So guys, they will review this issue, and if you have not violated any community guidelines, then your problem will be fixed in within 24 hours. So guys, after this you will be able to send or receive messages on TikTok very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.